Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can block third-party cookies or cookies completely on your Google Chrome browser. Now, what are cookies, you may be asking? Cookies basically track your data on sites so they can give you better recommendations such as ads and all that stuff. Some people may not want to give access to this, but most people are fine with it. Generally, I think it's safe that you have third-party cookies turned off but normal cookies turned on. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we can do that on Google Chrome today. To begin, what we want to do is open up our Google Chrome browser. From there, select the account in which we want to do this process. For me, it's going to be my main. From there, as you can see, we are on our home page. What I'm simply going to do is we don't even have to wait for it to load. What we simply want to do is go to the top right where we find these three dots, right click, and go down to settings. From there, what we're going to do is go to the left where there are multiple options. The option we want to go to is privacy and security. Here, you can take the privacy guide if you want to, but that's not what we're here for. From here, you want to go to privacy and security and go to the cookies and other site data. From there, you can choose to block third-party cookies and incognito, block third-party cookies, block all cookies, and allow cookies. What we want to select is the block third-party cookies, and now sites can use cookies to so this is what cookies are. Sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience, for example, to keep you signed in or to remember items in your shopping cart. Sites can't use your cookies to see your browsing activity across different sites. So there you have it. That is how to block third-party cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.